At doTERRA, we're committed to continuous essential oil research and improving our products accordingly. Emerging research around digestive health and essential oils has led us to an exciting reformulation of DigestZen Digestive Blend, intended to provide you with better efficacy, aroma, and flavor. The updated formula includes nearly all the same essential oils as before, but with the addition of cardamom, which is a powerful oil for internal digestive support and has a lovely aroma that complements DigestZen well. Also, the amount of each essential oil in the blend has been adjusted. Our research supports more prominent roles for ginger, coriander, and peppermint particularly, as each oil has considerable traditional and scientific validation when it comes to digestive benefits when ingested. If you already love DigestZen, don't worry, you'll still love the updated version. And this is a great opportunity for anyone who hasn't used DigestZen much in the past to try it out again. Here's to a happy and healthy digestive system with the new DigestZen Digestive Blend.